Thank you so much, Coimbatore, for so much of love for NIRAA these 2 days. All these 36 sarees were stunning and one-of-a-kind sarees. And thank you ladies for taking the ramp so gracefully, carrying all these sarees. Engaloda ella NIRAA sarees are available for sale at the NIRAA counters. People can walk into our NIRAA counters to take a look at this entire collection. And Coimbatore, we are here for 2 more days as part of Saree Trails Edition 11. Rendu nala miss pannavanga stock ellam theendichu nenikadinga. We have decked up each and every counter with more stocks. So people who missed out these 2 days, we are here for another 2 days. Innikku naalaikum irukum. So please walk into CODISSIA Hall A, Coimbatore. Thank you so much.